So in this lesson, the objective is I can use the distributive property and combining like terms to simplify an algebraic expression. So here are our steps for simplifying an algebraic expression. Our first step is to distribute. So in this example, I would distribute the 2 to the x plus 3. So I get 2x plus 6 plus 3x plus 1. And then our last step is to combine like terms. So we have 2x plus 3x, which is 5x, and then 6 plus 1 is 7. So we're going to, using our rules of distributing and combining like terms, we're going to rewrite each expression as a sum of a variable and a constant. So you have negative 7 times w minus 3 plus 3w minus 27. So we're first going to distribute this negative 7 into this expression. We have negative 7w, we're going to keep our minus sign, and then we have negative 7 times 4 is negative 28, plus 3w minus 27. And now we're going to combine like terms. First of all, we're going to note that this here is a double negative, so that becomes a positive, and we can rewrite this as negative 7w plus 28 plus 3w minus 27. Negative 7w plus 3w is negative 4w, and then 28 minus 27 is just 1. Here we have negative 5 times k plus 6 plus 7 times k minus 4. So we're going to distribute the negative 5k to this parentheses. We have negative 5k, keep the plus sign, and then we have negative 30 in parentheses. We're going to have this plus. Now we're going to distribute this 7 to this parenthesis. So we have 7k minus from this minus before, 28. 7 times 4. Now we're going to combine like terms. This negative 5k and this 7k can be combined. So we have 2k. And then negative 30 plus negative 28 or minus 28 is going to be negative 58. So our answer is 2k minus 58. Here we have negative 9 times m plus 2 plus 4 times 6 minus 7m. So we distribute this negative 9 first. We have negative 9m. We keep the plus sign, and then we have negative 18, negative 9 times 2. Then we're going to distribute this 4. So we have the plus sign from before, and then we have 4 times 6, that's going to be 24, minus 4 times 7 is going to be 42m. And then we could combine like terms. So we have negative 9m minus 42m, that's negative 51m. And then we have negative 18 plus 24, and that's just 6. So for this example, we have 6 times x plus 1 minus 5 times x plus 2. So for this type of problem, what I'm first going to do is rewrite this as a plus negative 5. So I can rewrite that like this. I'm just going to rewrite on a new line. This just helps ensure we don't make mistakes as we solve this. So we have 6. We're going to distribute first. We get 6x plus 6. Then we have this plus sign. Now we have negative 5 times x, so it's negative 5x. And then negative 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. Now we're going to combine like terms. 6x plus negative 5x is negative x. And then 6 minus 10 is 4, negative 4. Here we have 6 times p plus 6 minus p minus 6. We're going to rewrite this again as a plus negative 1 times this parentheses to avoid making a mistake later on. Now we're going to go ahead and distribute. First we'll distribute the 6. So we have 6p plus 36. We keep our plus sign. Then we're going to distribute the negative 1. We have negative 1 times p is negative p. And then negative 1 times negative 6 is positive 6. And then we're going to combine 6p and negative p. We have 5p. And then 36 and 6 is 42. Here we have 21 minus 8w plus 3 plus 3w plus 7. So we're going to rewrite this as 21 plus negative 8 times w plus 3 plus 3 plus 7w. Okay, so first we're going to distribute the negative 8. So we get negative 8w minus 24. And then we still have what we had before. So we have 21. I'm going to write plus this, and I'm going to put this in parentheses. I'm going to also put this in parentheses. And then I have plus 3 plus 7w. So then we're going to combine 21, negative 24, and 3. So that's going to be 0, because 21 plus 3 is 24. And then 24 plus negative 24 is 0. And then negative 8w plus 7w is just negative w. And that's your answer. Here we have 6 plus 8 times 4w minus 7 minus 2w plus 1. So what we're going to do is first rewrite this again as a negative 1 instead of having minus the whole parentheses. So we have 2w plus 1. So we have 6 times 8 times 4w minus 7. Now we're going to distribute the 8. We have 32w minus 56. And we have 6 plus that as well. And then we have plus, this is going to be negative 2w plus negative 1. All right, we're going to go ahead and combine like terms. 6 minus 56 is negative 50. Minus another 1 is negative 51. And then 32w minus 2w is 30w. And that's it. After this lesson, you should be more comfortable with simplifying algebraic expressions using the distributive property and combining like terms.